So, good evening, friends. After a long time, I am discussing a case, and I will be sharing some great information about the remedy that helped him. So, I will repeat the case. So, it was a child case of a child who was 2 years old, and he has this recurrent tendency of coryza, cold and coryza, and then he gets the cough. And in the coryza, his nose gets blocked, and it's always one-sided, and mostly it happens in the night, and in the sleep there is aggravation. So but the nose block and nose obstruction is so severe that last time 1 year back they need to admit him for this same complaint. So this year it happened the same. The nose was chronically obstructed, and they needed to use drops, and child used to mouth breathe, and he used to do that voice. So many of you won't know what that noise is known as. So that noise is known as snuffles. Snuffling, it is. So he used to snuffle at night and he used to mouth breathe. And there was a dry cough also along with that, and he had fever. So the parents were very worried. So we took the case online, and thank you for all your responses. You all have tried your best, and few of them also answered correctly. So and also he was very obstinate and used to startle at sudden noise. So first I gave ammonium carb, but ammonium carb didn't help him. So then I retook the case, and amazingly this remedy came. So let me share my screen. So the remedy came was Nux vomica. So I have gathered few rubrics for you for Nux vomica. So again, be unprejudiced. We always think Nux vomica for gastric issues, acidity. We have a set picture that how बहुत industrious होता है, ambitious होता है. But Nux vomica can be a brilliant remedy and very useful remedy in cold and coryza, and very important remedy in children also. So see, nose coryza one-sided. Nose coryza children in nursling means those who are on breastfeed. Only 3 remedies, and Nux vomica is one of them. Nose coryza children in snuffle, that's snuffling voice. Coryza children in snuffles, newborns. So whoever means the child, the kid who have newborn, they have this coryza with snuffling. The only 8 remedies are there. Coryza during dentition. So during dentition, if they have this coryza, only single remedy rubric, Nux vomica. Then coryza taking a cold, as you know, cold weather is going on. So that's why. See this interesting rubric. Coryza discharge without dry evening and discharge during the day. So what does this means? That there is nose obstruction and the coryza is dry at night and very fluent in the daytime. Coryza in windy weather. Coryza chronic prolonged. Coryza recurrent. Nose obstructions to alternating with discharge. So one time we will feel there is obstruction, another time there will coryza and cold. Alternating sides. Breathe through mouth in children and with nausea. See this, when the nose and gastric, only 3 remedies. Nose obstruction, stoop sensation with nausea. So also see this Materia Medica reference, kata snuffles of infants, ammonium carb and sambucus. So I had given ammonium carb, which didn't help, and we took the case, and Nux vomica helped the patient very brilliantly. So thank you. That's about it, and I hope you have learned something new about Nux vomica. And be unprejudiced and look for more peculiar symptoms. Keep excelling your knowledge. Study hard. Bye. Take care.